Okay traders, let's dive right into this. We know that we were consolidating up at these highs here. Market was technically moving sideways round about there. Market, as you can see, was moving sideways, created a new high and was moving sideways till we actually broke and closed below, breaking structure, this level of structure, we had an outside return. Look where structure came into. If I scratch the chart up, look left, structure will leave clues round about there, found resistance till it broke below, closed below. Since then we've been making a series of lower lows, higher lows. We've been in a downtrend. We went up at this level to retest the highs. Looking left, structure leaves clues. I was always going to say this. Look left, structure does leave clues. I'm bearish on this pair, so my main bias on this pair is bearish until we break above and close above this level here at 1820s. So till market hasn't broken above and closed above this level, my bias is going to remain bearish on this pair. Since then, what we've been doing, we've been technically moving sideways, we've been consolidating at this level. Price is trying to push higher. I'm predicting price to retest the 1550 level. If we put a horizontal line there, yeah, I'm expecting price to move up and retest this 1550 zone. Looking left, you can see this level was once respected a lot. We've got support down here, support down here, support here, support here. We've got more support here, support, resistance, resistance. I'm expecting a retest of this level. Now, if price does go up to that level, I'm looking for shorting opportunities. But let's dive into the hourly time frame. Let's drop down to our trading time frame, and let's see if we can get involved in any way of there's quite a lot of pips here to reach up to the 1550 level. Let's see if we can take a retracement, get a retracement out of the market, and see if we can hop on to the okay, we're on the level. Hourly time frame now. We've dropped down to the hourly, and what we technically want to do is we want to do the same analysis that we've done on the daily. We know our overall bias is bearish, and I'm aiming for that 15 price action to reach up to that 1550 level to find a shorting opportunity at that level. But there's a lot of room, there's a lot of pips on the table for price action to go up there. And not only that, we've broken above, closed above, as you can see here. So I'm looking for a trend continuation trade as well. Now I can my first targets will be taken off at these highs here at 1500s. That's where I'll be taking my first targets off, and my second targets I'll be trailing up to the 1550. But now that we've come to the hourly time frame, if we read price action again, starting from this low, we know that we've been making a series of lower lows. Okay, we've broken structure to the upside, we've broken structure here, we've found support at previous resistance, and then we've consolidated for a bit. Look left, where it's found resistance till we broke above and closed above. Okay, let's get all this off. Let's remove all these drawing tools. The question is now, how can we get involved? Okay, the first thing that I'll be looking at is my previous outside return. If we get a rectangle box and draw that in for you, there you go. That's my previous outside return. Okay, now price is inside this zone. If I was to take an aggressive entry, I can get that. The ATR, current ATR is about 10 pips. If I was to enter right now, my stops will have to go below these lows at 1407. Take 10 pips off, 97, around about there, and my first target's coming off here. Okay, which I can look for a higher close at inside this zone, which I got. But if I took this higher close, okay, I'll have an inverse risk reward, and that's not what I want to do. So my kill zone has just dropped down to here. I need price action to push down and give me a higher close within this zone in order for me to get involved. What else can we do? Can we build confluence inside this zone? We can do a 1-to-1 harmonic move here. Let's clone this. There you go. And look where it lines up. The 1-to-1 harmonic move right at the structure level down here. I know if price comes down to here and breaks below, close below, my bias is completely different. I need to scrap all of this analysis. Okay, but look where the harmonic move completes, right at previous structure support level. Okay, now we need to start thinking like other traders. What else can we do? We can get some fibs on there. Let's see if we can get any confluence, fib confluence at these levels inside this zone. If we take this low to this high, we've got the 618 line right where market is testing now. That's the golden mean. Okay, that is our golden mean. But again, I can't take this right now. Mainly because my higher close came here. I know price retraced a bit and I could have got involved, but as I'm doing this analysis, I'm not going to get involved right now. I'm waiting for price. I'm expecting price to come slightly lower and I can look for that higher close. But what else can we do? We've got the 886 inside this zone, close to this harmonic move completion. We can also get a fib extension and take our levels from this high to this outside return and back again. We've also got a major fib level 127.2 lining up. Look where it's lining up, straight at that level as well where the harmonic move completes. We've got a little zone. Let's narrow this zone down right about there. So we've got a lot of confluence in this zone. What else can we do? We can do a fib inversion and see if we get anything there. So we'll take the previous high, previous outside return, and look where price at what the 127.2 is lining up straight with the 886. Okay. Now, if you want to take an aggressive entry and if you trade advanced patterns, you will also have a Gartley at this level. Now I trade advanced patterns, so I'm looking to take an aggressive entry. If price action decides to come down, if price action decides to come down to this level, I'll have my order set as soon as the B leg is broken. If price action comes down, breaks below the B leg, I'll be putting my orders in at 14, around about 14.14. Okay, my first targets will be up at these highs at 15.06. Now, what if, say if you're an advanced pattern trader and price decides to push up? Well guys, you have another Gartley setting up, a bearish Gartley. If you take this X leg, X to A leg, A to B, B to, sorry, that didn't work out. Let's cancel that. Let's start again. So if we take this X leg, X to A to B, B to C, I don't know what's happening here, but this doesn't want to drawing. There you go, B2C, and CD completion at the 1:15:03. So we've got another bearish Gartley. Let's change this color so you guys can see this better. Let's change it to purple. There you go. So either way, you've got a trading opportunity. Your stops will go above the X leg here, and I'll be taking it with this bearish pattern. I'll be taking a conventional targets, which is profit targets at the 38.2 and the 61.8. My first target's taken off. Stops will be moved to break even if price does decide to come up to this level, but if it doesn't, I'm looking for this bullish Gartley, okay, and I'm expecting a test of the highs. But look what happens to your risk reward. Okay, your risk reward from a 1-to-1. Look, I'll take this trade every single day. I'm risking this much to make that much. You can't go wrong. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis and took away some valuable information. If you did, please hit the like button. I know it's only one pair that I'm analysing today, mainly because from next week I'm planning to do a weekly Forex review on several pairs, and I'll be doing the same sort of analysis going forward. I just wanted to put this out there quickly and tell you what I'm looking at on the euro dollar. Please hit that subscribe button. It will show me your support, and pass this video around if you like it. Until next time, plan your trade and then go and trade your plan. I'll see you in the next video.